I can't believe I made bread this easy in the air fryer. Start by warming 150 milliliters of milk until it's nice and lukewarm. Add 7 grams of instant dry yeast and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then gently stir everything together. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until the yeast becomes foamy and activated. Once the yeast is ready, add 2 tablespoons of neutral vegetable oil. In a separate bowl, combine 250 grams of all-purpose flour with 1 teaspoon of salt, then mix well. Gradually add the dry ingredients into the wet mixture and start combining everything into a dough. Knead the dough for several minutes until it becomes smooth, soft and elastic. When the dough is nicely kneaded, lightly oil both the bowl and the dough itself. Cover it with plastic wrap and place it in a warm spot to rise for at least 1 hour or until doubled in size. If you're enjoying these step-by-step air fryer recipes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and stick around for more easy and delicious ideas. After the dough has risen beautifully, transfer it onto your work surface. You can use it as it is or lightly dust it with flour if needed, and knead it once more to release any excess air. Next, divide the dough into 4 equal pieces. Take each piece and knead it individually for a short moment just to smooth it out. Then, gently shape each one into a round ball by tucking the edges underneath, creating a smooth and slightly tight surface on top. If the dough feels slightly sticky, you can lightly oil your hands instead of adding more flour to keep the texture soft. Place the dough balls into the air fryer basket, leaving a little space between them. Lightly score the tops with a knife. This not only makes them look nicer, but also helps control how the bread expands while baking. Cover them loosely with plastic wrap and let them rest and rise again for about 20 minutes until they become slightly puffed and airy. This second rise is what makes the bread extra soft and fluffy on the inside. Once they've puffed up beautifully, bake them in the air fryer at 170 degrees for 25 minutes. After that, carefully take the bread out, flip it over and return it to the air fryer for another 10 minutes at 108 degrees. And that's it! The bread turns out absolutely perfect every time. A beautifully crispy crust on the outside and soft, fluffy texture on the inside. So easy and so delicious.